Dye homemade night cream made from apple. After having suffered at the hands of pollution and stress all through the day, your skin deserves some care and pampering at night. Here's a natural, homemade apple night cream recipe to nourish and revitalize your skin. Steps. Number 1. Cut an apple into 2 halves. Number 2. Remove the seeds. Number 3. Chop the apple into small pieces. Number 4. Toss the pieces into a blender and add 1/2 cup of olive oil. Number 5. Turn on the blender for about 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture has a smooth and thick consistency. Number 6. Pour the mixture into a double boiler and heat it for a few minutes until it is warm. Number 7. Remove the mixture from the double boiler and allow it to cool. Then, mix in 1/2 cup of rose water. Number 8. Finally, store it in a sterile container. You now have your own homemade apple night cream. You can store it in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 days, using a portion of it daily. How to use. Cleanse your face and neck with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Apply the cream on your skin with your fingers, gently rubbing it on with upward strokes in a circular motion. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse it off with lukewarm water. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and please share with friends.